question is, do police officers, when they pull you over, do they have to read you your rights?
This is such a common question. I mean, clients all the time, they ask me about that. And usually, even upon arrest, an officer does not have to read you your rights. Okay, here's the deal with reading you your rights.
I see it on TV all the time.
It depends if they're trying to get a statement out of you. So your rights, it's your right to get an attorney prior to speaking to law enforcement. So they have to advise you that, in fact, you have a right to an attorney prior to speaking with us. An attorney can be present if you want to speak with us, but they have to advise you of that. And once they advise you of that, then they can ask, are you willing to waive your right to an attorney and just talk to us?
Interesting.
Because if they don't advise you of that and you say something, it is not admissible in court.
Yeah, but everybody knows they're going to say in court, even if the judge strikes that comment, they're still going to plant the seed.
Well, they could, but, that could actually be grounds for a mistrial.
Okay.
If a jury hears something that you said and it's inadmissible, that might be grounds for a mistrial. So here's the deal. People all the time, they get arrested, they get pulled over, they get asked out of their vehicle, they get frisked because officers frisk you when they ask you out of your vehicle just in case you have a weapon. And they frisk you and they find a big bag of cocaine in your pocket.
Okay.
They're not going to read your rights. They're like, all right, you're under arrest, possession of cocaine, hands behind your back. There's nothing to ask. Cocaine's in your pocket.
Got it.
It's not like they need a whole statement and declaration from you. So I get clients that come to me, they're like, yo, we got this slam dunk, we're going to win this. I'm like, why? Because the officer didn't read me my rights. I'm like, well, did you say anything? No. Then it doesn't matter. It only has to do with statements.
Interesting. And ammunition, giving
there
ammunition.
You go.
Okay, cool.
There you
That's
go.
Wisdom from the streets.